Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we have something different. We're gonna make homemade sushi. Currently waiting for my roommate to get ready. So we'll go to Tesco and buy everything. Oh, he's ready. He's Turkish. He takes ages to get ready. Anyway, I'm just gonna go buy some
avocado, rice, seaweed paper, sriracha. Anyway.
You'll see when I get there. They're good.
I don't know.
I don't know.
The girl behind the like this.
Yeah.
I don't know if it must be soft or hard.
We always like them hard.
But let it.
Oh, this is perfect.
This one?
Yeah.
It's soft.
Yeah.
it good?
Yeah. You want it a bit soft.
Yeah.
We met Ocean.
Hiya.
She's my other roommate.
I am.
Turkish, English.
Yeah, I'm the only English one in the
Maltese.
flat.
Should we get this?
Why not?
Sure.
Wait till it opens, you got off. This is what we're working with. Because my tripod's still on the way.
DIY queen. So we need to wash all the starch out of it. So you're just going to fill it with water, use your hand, give it a good mix, and then rinse it out. And just have to repeat that about 4 or 5 times.
You're serious?
Yeah. Because otherwise, if you don't, that's when it gets really sticky.
Okay, you can talk.
But if you see the water's turned white, that's all the starch.
So we just put the rice in the pot.
So we're going to wait for that to boil. Once it starts boiling, we leave it up, turn the heat down for it to simmer for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We've got to turn the heat off, but leave it in there for 15 minutes without any heat. We've got to keep the lid on. Give it a smell. It smells, but once it's in the rice, it's a bit wet. Up for the steam, we'll dry it off a bit.
We're just mixing in the rice vinegar with the rice. Smells like shit, huh?
It tastes good though.
Oh, was I even when I was saying of the Croatia? We're watching the Croatia. We're watching. Bro!
To a bowl.
Look at that
It's better off to put
consistency,
on
nice
just
and light
flat
and
surfaces.
fluffy.
Nice, and we ended up with this
pudding.
consistency.
Porridge. YOLO.
Wait, but don't just eat it raw. It's good.
But it said it would be good.
To be fair, yeah, it's good. We
As
did
in-
sashimi. We filled in the cucumber.
Yeah. I've made mine with prawns instead.
I mean, this is...
Looks sick. I'm gonna put the sriracha on top of the sushi. I haven't had rice.
You've got a bucket of water, I've got my bowl of water.
Mhm.
So it's when you put your sushi paper down, then you get your rice into your hands.
Okay.
But because it's quite sticky, got your water to clean your hands
Alright,
in between,
nice.
and then you can get more sushi. So
So you've got the shiny side and the normal side.
don't eat that.
Oh, okay.
I like them big. I like them chunky.
You want to first cover half of it, and what you want to do is squeeze it in. You want to make it compact, so spend a good little while doing that. So that's step 1. Number 2, so we'll see it so far. So I want to make that go in a little bit more. Have a look, yeah. And now roll it over and squeeze it again.
Nice.
It's quite important that you do that just to make sure it's nice and compact in the middle. So once you've done that, let's have a nosy. Happy with that? Just finish it off. Another bit of roll. Keep compacting it as you're doing it. Give it a good squeeze. And then there we go.
Oh, nice.
Mine won't be as successful.
Shit, man, I'm actually
I'm
scared.
gonna break it.
Alright.
I'm gonna squeeze it. Yep. And then you want to give it a good sheet.
Oh.
Lots of avocado.
No. Oh. Stick it in. Wait, not this.
No,
Ew.
that's dirty on that. Push it forward.
Oh my god, this is huge. It's a chunky boy. Oh, nice.
That looks good.
Just cucumber and avocado in this one.
How is it?
Yeah. Tuna one. Amazing.
Cheers.
Thank you for helping us out.
You're welcome.
And for showing us how to make sushi.
Literally any time. I fucking love sushi.
Yeah, we can make this like every week. No,
No, not that much.
I would have This took 5 hours, bro. So, cheers. Oh.
You're right.
Alright.
What's your guess?
Oh. Come, Mr. Manager. Tell me it's good. No. Alright, okay. Give me a rating.
Come on.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Look, everything I cook for him, he's like, it's okay. It's okay. Like. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.